Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1537 Faris. We're out here, guy got his cable stuck in there. He went out about 50 so feet, and as he was coming back, all of a sudden his cable got stuck. And it took a little while. We came out here, I got the cable out, and we ended up getting it out of there. We're out here at the yard clean out. I ended up finding a piece of broken pipe in there. I'm going to throw this in here and show you where it's at. I've located it in the street. 4 feet deep. The pipe is separated and got a void, so as when he was coming back, the cutter just fell into that void, and luckily we were able to get it back out. But I'm gonna run it out here, show you what this looks like. So here we are about where his cable was stuck. I think we're a little bit further, but you see there's a big void here. I don't want to get my camera stuck. And if you look down, it looks like some debris down there. I don't know if that's all broken down there also. But like I said, I've located and marked this spot out in the street. It's 4 feet deep. Gonna recommend this be repaired. It's right by the main, so I'm thinking that's the main that we're seeing down there. I'm gonna recommend it to be repaired all the way MSD's line there. Pull it back. See, this has been a repair done here at one time. They got PVC here. Here we are back in clay pipe. Looks like that's some kind of repair or something, reducer or something there. Looks like a reducer. So here we are at the track. So like I said, I recommend that to be repaired out there. But everything towards the house should be good. So, alrighty, thank you.